Hey, you're a restoration contractor? Let me tell you something. You're not making enough money. How do I know that? Well, my name is Andy McCabe. I'm a restoration professional. I write xactimate estimates for a living. I wrote $25 million worth of xactimate estimates last year for contractors across the country. And I know for a fact that if you're doing insurance program work, you are losing out on 25% of your revenue, 25% of your profit, just because you have to play by program rules, just because you have to take the prices that somebody else is giving you. If you're estimating a project based on somebody else's rules, on somebody else's price, are you really running your own business, or are you just running somebody else's business? Who do you work for? Let me tell you something. I started the group called the Restoration Rebels because I was pissed off and I was sick and tired of somebody else telling me how to run my business. I was sick and tired of making somebody else money for just, I don't know, shoving rules down my throat, telling me about all the things they don't pay for, telling me about all the things that are already included. Well, I'm here to tell you it's horseshit. If you're doing program work, you're not making enough money. Come to my class. Let me show you. 1, how much money you're not making. 2, how to take your life back, how to take your business back. 3, how to go find your own work. So you can tell the insurance company to go pound sand. They're not your client, are they? No, they're not. Your client is your client. So flip the script. Come learn how the Restoration 2.0 movement is changing the entire restoration industry. Come find out how you can get your piece. All right, see ya.